Hey, I'm really excited to show you this swinging chair from Pamapic. This is going to be a really great addition. I'm going to put it up right here. It has its own shade over the top. It has nice sides that look really nice. That's what these pieces are right here. Really nice looking sides. It's got a nice mattress that I'm going to pull out of its freezer, or its sealed bag. All the parts are labeled, which is really nice all the way through. There's only 15 steps to completing this, so it doesn't look like it's going to be too bad. We got a bunch of pieces, but I think they're going to go together really fast, really easy. Comes with hardware. It comes with all the tools you need. It comes with the Allen wrench and a wrench to fit any of the nuts, so you're not going to need any tools. It looks like you can mount this in several different places. You could put it on cement. It looks like you could even put it on level dirt or ground, and you could stake it in. So let's go ahead and get this thing together and see how it looks. I think it's going to be really great. The finish is nice. Everything came wrapped individually, very well packaged and put together. Here it is, guys. Pamapic put out a really nice swing. 15 steps, didn't take long. Really easy. I did it all by myself. I had my wife put some washers on, but it went really easy, really nice. It's nice quality. I really like it. It's very comfortable. I'm going to adjust down into a bed. There's these side pieces right here. If you want, you can put them in both sides, and it's going to make the seat completely sturdy. So if you don't want any sway at all, this will actually work for that. Now these pillows are ours, so it didn't come with it, but everything else you see it came with. I really like this top. It's already blocking the sun for me right now, so I can sit here and enjoy without that sun. And this sunshade cover will adjust from side to side, so you can move it back and forth wherever it works best for you. I'm really happy with it. This is nice. I think you're going to enjoy it. If you want something like this and you're still watching the video, click on that link below. Pick one of these guys up. We made it nice and easy by having that down there for you guys. Appreciate you watching. Check it out. Pamapic. Love it.